Hi, I'm Brent, Product and Application Trainer with Festool North America. Today I want to give you an overview of one of our flagship tools, the TS55F. Festool first came out with a circular saw back in 1930. We've come a long way since then. Now our saws are plunge cut saws that ride on a guide rail. On that guide rail there's a splinter guard to give you a splinter-free cut, perfectly straight cut. We have onboard electronics that will allow the saw to cut evenly without leaving burn marks. And there's a lot more to these saws. Just in comparison, our TS55 REQ, which is the predecessor to the TS55F, this saw now cuts twice as fast as this saw due to just having a thinner curved blade, which I'll show you now. The blades really shine with the new TS55F, starting with the blade that comes with the saw, which is a 42-tooth crosscut blade. This blade also has a new tooth design, which will help the blade last 5 times longer. After that, we've got our 28-tooth universal blade, so that's good for ripping and cross-cutting. Then we have a 12-tooth Panther blade, which is good for just ripping down thick material. We also have a PCD, or polycrystalline diamond blade, which is good for cutting cementitious products like hardy siding, things of that nature. Then we also have a laminate blade, which is good for cutting, obviously, laminate, solid surface countertops like Corian, things of that nature. And then a newest blade that we have is our aluminum blade. This will allow you to cut plastics as well as aluminum with a good, clean cut. Now what I want to show you is cutting with the TS55 REQ with the 2.2 millimeter curved blade through about 1 3/4 inch piece of oak hardwood. And then I'll cut with the TS55F with a 1.8 millimeter curved blade to show you how much faster that will cut. So as you can see, it's about twice as fast cutting with the TS55F with a 42-tooth 1.8 millimeter curved blade versus the TS55 REQ, which has the 2.2 48-tooth blade. Quality of the cut is still the same, as you can see with these two pieces. So no loss in quality, faster cutting capacity, longer lasting blade.